and I'm just like kind of shook about this hair dye because it's so good and it's so cheap and it just makes your hair so shiny. I want you guys to see my makeup because we have eyeshadow palette, we have a blush and highlighter palette which I have on right now. Hey guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here in a minute. There's so much going on, you guys. I've been working on this like luxury like lipstick line, which is not my brand. It's the super beautiful. I mean, the packaging is just stunning. It's this dragon lipstick, and I have two colors, like a coral red and a blue red, and they're just like stunning. So there's just a lot of stuff that I'm doing, and I have a lot of channels, and I'm just like overwhelmed. Okay, I'm just like super overwhelmed. But you guys keep asking me about my hair color, and you guys are like literally like emailing me about what I did and you know what color I use. I've already done a video about that. I used like the cheapest hair color this one time, and it was like the most beautiful black. So I'm going to do this video for you guys again since you guys are asking. But first of all, I was born with this color hair, okay? And they always tell you like God knows what he's doing not to change your hair color, but I was born with like black hair, okay? So I have like black eyelashes, black eyebrows, whatever. But I mean, of course I'm obsessed with blondes because I have black hair. Anywho, I've destroyed my hair by dyeing it back and forth, especially this year, just doing orange and red and just going nuts because my mom had a stroke, lost my mind, and I think psychologically speaking, I started like attacking my hair. I think it's like a normal thing when you go through like a breakup, or if you're traumatized over something. You know, my mom was in the hospital with a stroke and stuff, so I just like, I don't know, I started attacking my hair. So therefore I damaged my hair, and I have a lot of breakage, but thank God it's kind of growing, but it's still like, my hair used to be down to my ass. So this is like really short for me, but it's growing, you guys, it's growing. But let's get to the color. You guys keep asking me. This video is not going to be that long. This is not a tutorial. I just want to show you guys, if you guys are interested in achieving this hair color, let me just show you guys. The hair is really choppy and poofy because I have all this breakage, but nonetheless, it feels like a lot healthier, and it's kind of getting longer. And I did some bangs. I'm trying to decide if I want to go really like bangy. Like, do I really want to do bangy, or do I just want to have a little bit of bangs? But I did cut it a little bit like in the front, and I did cut the back. So we're trying to get it healthy, right? But this is the color that I use, you guys. This is like $3.49, $4.49. It's like $4. It's Revlon COLORSILK, beautiful color, salon quality color, plus shine, long lasting, multi-dimensional color. And it says #1 in USA, ammonia free with keratin. Now, it's really funny because I remember my ex, whenever we used to go into the stores and stuff, and I was trying to like figure out what hair color I wanted to do, he used to be like, this says it's #1 in the USA, why don't you ever try this? And I would be like, oh, it's cheap, I don't want to try it. But then ever since I started trying it, I'm like, I just like love this black dye so much. I hope to God they never like stop this, because it gives you just this beautiful shiny, look how shiny the hair is. Like, even though my hair is fucked because it got so damaged, and it's the reason it's so poofy is because I have all this breakage in the back. So basically I have like no hair in the back. It's all short. It looks like I got it layered, but this is not layered. This is just from the breakage, okay? But I highly recommend this, and the color is 10. I think it's 10, like it's 1 basically, but it says 10 black. And this is what it is. This is the box. It says 10 black. It doesn't say blue black. It doesn't say soft black. It doesn't say natural black. It just says 10 black. And this is the girl in the front. Revlon COLORSILK. So if you guys are interested, grab it. So think that's all I was gonna tell you guys about. And then I have these new lipsticks, and I have my own lipstick on. I have Charmed on today, so I don't want to mix it, but I'll do a tutorial with the new lipstick to show you guys what it looks like. Something else I was gonna say, on my main channel I was doing murder mystery makeup. Nobody gives a fuck, nobody likes it. People are complaining about it because I think they just want me to do tarot readings and shit like that. So I think I'm gonna transfer those videos here, true crime and makeup, or murder mystery makeup, or like paranormal cases and makeup. So I think I'm going to transfer those type of videos here, since this is my beauty vlog channel, and then that way I can sit here, do my makeup, tell you guys a story, do a story time, or do murder mystery or paranormal case, whatever that's like a story time type of thing. I'm going to do it here, and we're just going to leave that channel alone because people are just, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck they want to watch. An upcoming tutorial to wear these on my lips with some makeup and see what it looks like. They're very heavy, they're expensive, they're luxury line. They're luxury line. They're super expensive. They're super beautiful. They have like a magnetic close thing. There's a dragon on it. I mean, hopefully you guys will like these videos. It's a lot of work for me to research and sit down and do my video and do my makeup and tell you guys these murder mysteries or true crime. So hopefully you guys will like it. It'll give me something to talk about while I'm doing my makeup, because I want you guys to see my makeup, because we have eyeshadow palette, we have a blush and highlighter palette, which I have on right now, and we have lipsticks. Today I'm wearing, I mixed a couple of colors. I mixed red and pink together. So if you guys are interested in my makeup, go check it out, EllieArket.com. If you guys are not subscribed, hopefully you guys will subscribe. I have been messing around with my hair a lot, but honestly, I think I'm going to keep the black. I am so happy with this color. And ever since I dyed it this color, it just feels so much healthier. Like, just look at the shine, you guys. Just look at the shine. Look at the shine. And I was going to do like bangs, but I don't know if I just want to I don't know. I want to make my hairstyle like really sexy. So maybe I'll just start like wearing it like this. Like, wait. Maybe I'll start wearing it like I have bangs, but it's not really bangs. And I don't know, we'll figure it out. But if you guys are into like hair, makeup, skincare, all that, definitely subscribe and come hang out with us. My hair is just looks like a helmet right now because I have all these like broken like pieces. Like, look, so much of my hair is broken off. Do you guys see that? Half of my head on the back is broken off. That's why it has so much volume right now. It looks like I have basically Jennifer Aniston's haircut in Friends. That's basically like I have Rachel's haircut right now, because it's all like poofy and it's giving me like the helmet thing. Like, I can put it back and stuff so that you can't tell, but I wanted to wear it down so you guys could see. But yeah, the hair is so much more like healthier, and I'm just like kind of shook about this hair dye because it's so good and it's so cheap, and it just makes your hair so shiny, and it actually makes your hair look like a lot more healthier than it really is. If you guys are blonde, don't just put this on your hair. It's gonna turn green. You have to put red in your hair, red and orange pigment in your hair before you can put the black, so then it can stick to it, because there's no pigment in your hair when it's blonde. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.